Okay, so moving on with topographic maps, the next thing we want to talk about is everybody's favorite, fractional scale. Right. So a lot of people find fractional scale to be difficult. And it requires a little bit of math, it requires a little bit of thought, but again, just like the rest of this stuff, once you get it and do it a couple of times, I think you'll see that it's really not that challenging of a subject. So the point of fractional scale is we want to be able to decide how far a distance is on land compared to the distance that we can measure on a map. All right? So the way we do that is we need to have a multiplier that's constant throughout. So the fractional scale is listed on your map down at the bottom where it says scale, and in this case it's 1 to 24,000. 1 to 24,000. Now, this part is extremely important, and it's the key to understanding fractional scale. Many people ask, what are the units? And the answer is that there are no units. This means literally that one of any unit on the map is equal to 24,000 of those same units on land. So, if we take our ruler and we measure on the map 1 centimeter. Danielle, how many centimeters on land does that equal?
24,000.
24,000 is correct. If we take our ruler and we measure 1 inch, how many inches on land does that equal?
24,000.
If we take our ruler and measure 1 foot, how many feet on land?
24,000.
What if we have 1 duck?
That's 24,000 ducks.
That is not true, of course, because it doesn't work that way. But the, the idea is correct, and I would actually accept for you saying 24,000 ducks if you get this part right. So yes, one of any measured unit on your map, in this case, equals 24,000 of those same units on land. This fractional scale changes depending on what type of map you have. Some are 48,000, there are some 12,000, there are some very large scale maps as well. But this 24,000 is a very common one, and it's going to be the one that we use. So let's do a little bit of math now in the next video to give examples of how we use this.